Today's new topic is making dashboard. So once we have created a filter, now we will see how to make dashboard. First thing is, what is dashboard? So dashboard is a pictorial graphical representation of the filters. What do you mean? The thing is, say suppose the management asks that okay, please give me a dashboard to clearly see that how many bugs are in which state in this particular project, in this particular sprint, and it is assigned to whom, or how many bugs, like just I want to see the number of user stories finished in QA in dev. So what I will do is, I'll just go here, I will see what filters I have made. See, I have made 2 filters that day. This is ecom stories. So here I have just made project type is equal to story, and I will remove this filter. Why I have removed, I will just show you. This is all the stories here. Now save changes. Now I'll go to dashboards. Here I will just show the basic simple pie chart dashboard. So ecom dashboard. Here also viewers I will do is my organization, add, so that all the people in my organization can see the dashboard. Editors can be you or anybody in the organization or anybody in the project or any particular user as well. So here viewer can be anyone in the organization, editors will be only me. I'll just do save. So this is the default template of the dashboard where I need to add gadget. So what is a gadget? Gadget here is the, you can see that all the type of different charts which we can incorporate to showcase our results from the filter. So here I will just go to the simple one, pie chart. So here I got this pie chart raw filter where I need to put my, see I make this ecom bugs filter. I have also made ecom stories filter. So I will just put this ecom stories in QA filter, and from which thing I need the I would say this pie chart. So I need to see the status. So what I will do is I will just go to status, and on how many minutes basis you need to refresh it. I will just keep it 15 to avoid the load. So I'll just put save. So now you can see there are 13 user stories. In that 13 user stories, 7 are in to do state, 3 are in progress, 2 are in QA, 1 is done. So did you see that how beautifully you can just see from here, and you'll just click on done. So how you will see that all the user stories you can just see here in the ecom project and basis which story is in which state. Similarly, you can create any type of pie chart with any type of field in the dashboard. You can see here, configure any type of, from any type of field you can create it. Here we want the status, so I want create the filter on the base of status. You can also see here the priority. By default I think everybody's priority will be same, so it will come same only. See, everything is medium. If you go and change the status of different stories, here you can see that some stories are in medium, some are in high, some in low. So as of now we have made it so status wise. See, it's updated. So here it will also show the percentage. 53% are in to do, 23 in progress, 15 in QA, 7 in done. So guys, this is the simple example of creating pie chart in a dashboard. In next videos I will show you different type of gadgets in a dashboard and how we can use it and what will be the advantage of using them. So thank you guys. Please subscribe and like my channel.